Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow, alamak. Ayo, how is everybody? Saya harap anda semua sihat walafiat. Alhamdulillah, tabarakallah. Okay, so I hope all of you all are fine and bless you with all this New Year's. Actually dah tahun baru dah. Okay, it's 2026 by the way. Dah lepas berapa minggu ni. So today we're gonna cook something super simple. Kalau tak ada bahan pun boleh masak. Okay, in this recipe, if you don't have certain things also you can still cook. The only ingredients here is cili padi and garlic. Yang ada kat dalam bahan ini hanya cili padi dan juga bawang putih saja. Okay, tapi kalau awak nak taruh bawang pun boleh. If you want to put onions, is completely up to you. I'm going to show you the original and the basic stuff, that's all, but the rest is completely up to you. But don't extra do lah, jangan terlampau over pula kan, dah jadi lain. So come along with me and I show you how to make. In Indonesia they call it sambal geprek. In Thai they call it sambal pedas. In Singapore they call it sambal bodoh. Okay, sambal bodoh is stupid. So come along with me and I show you how to make this sambal geprek. Saya ada squid sotong 1 2 1 2 3 4 squid. This one, the head or the misai, get rid of the eyes and the teeth. Buang dia punya gigi dan juga matanya. So unless you want to kiss the mouth lah, you want to French kiss, up to you. Okay, but I don't like too sharp here. Okay, so 4 kita potong. We cut into rings. Kita potong bulat. Potong macam ring ni. Okay, this one is about 800 gram, dalam 800 gram. Okay, and then we have a bit of prawns. This one is less than this one, around 500 gram, 500 gram. Okay, a little bit extra or less is okay. Kalau terlebih sedikit ataupun kurang sikit tak mengapa. This green chili padi or bird eye chili, I have around 25 stick dalam 25 batang. Chili padi merah dalam 10 batang. The red bird eye chili around 10 pieces. And then petai beans, and I have around 8 cloves of garlic chop. Saya dalam ada 8 ulas bawang putih yang telah dicincang. Okay, it's very easy, that's all. No bawang, tak ada bawang. There's no onions. Okay, jangan macam-macam. Tak ada onion, tak ada serai, tak ada apa. Okay, so I'm gonna use a small chopper. Saya akan menggunakan chopper yang kecil sudah. Just a small chopper will do. Just put everything into this small chopper. This should be how it looks like. Kalau yang kasar pun boleh. If it's a coarse one also can, no problem. As long as no water, dry blended chili. Okay, blend kering gini. Now kita akan masak dengan high flame. Kita taruh minyak, put a little bit extra oil. And this squid will give some water. Sotong ni akan berair. So that's why we're gonna cook with a higher flame. Kita akan masak dengan api yang agak deras. So what I do, I just put this together. Oh yeah, when you blend, bila awak blend, you can blend together with the garlic lah. Awak boleh blend bersama bawang putih ni. Tak ada jadi masalah. You can blend together. Okay, but here because I already have ready prepared garlic. Saya sudah ada bawang putih yang telah siap. Just a little bit, just sedikit saja, just a pinch of salt, just a little bit will do. Ini masak dia cepat because of the garlic ni, right? Tak ada onion, okay? Because green chili, kalau cili padi hijau dia tak pedas. Green chili is not spicy, so that's why the red chili is lesser. Kalau red chili dia extra, then become super pedas lah. If you want to be super pedas, you can add extra red chili padi. Okay, you want to use normal chili, up to you, can also. Kalau awak nak pakai chili biasa pun boleh, but this is how the original recipe is. Okay, kita tumis sampai cili padi dia matang. We saute until the chili padi or bird eye chili is cooked. Okay. Now, how do you smell when it's cooked? You can smell at your nose. Bila masuk hama-hama bau kat hidung, awak dah tahu benda dah masak. When you start to sneeze, okay, bau dia pun dah masuk ke hidung. The smell already come into your nose. Now you see the colour change. Bila warna dah berubah. Then you start to make sure that your calamari is dry. Dia toss kering. Make sure toss dry. Then you put in the calamari. So awak masukkan sotong dulu. Now, do not close your wok. Jangan tutup. Kalau awak tutup, dia akan berair. So you need to cook dry, kasi dia kering. Itu masalah dia. Gonna cook this for a little while. Kita boleh taruh ikan bilis stock, anchovy stock. Okay, yang main peranan kat sini, the one that plays the parts is, because there's no onions, nothing kan, tak ada gula, tak ada apa. So the one that plays a part here is the sugar. Adalah gulanya. So gonna put a bit of sugar. We'll put a bit of, for you, you can put a little bit extra. Awak boleh taruh gula lebih sikit. Ini yang main peranan. Nampak dia dah berair. See, it become watery. So you need to stir until this thing dry. Awak nak kena tumis ataupun saute this thing until this thing dry. Ni belum udang lagi, udang pun basah. Now after 5 minutes, dalam 5 minit, okay, so now we can put in the prawns. As you can see that the calamari or shrimp is shrinking. Dia akan kecut. Put in the prawn. This prawn cook very fast. Once it turns red, it's all done. So you need to put in the petai as well. Masukkan petai. Once the prawn change its color, it's all done. Bila udang ni dah berubah warna, that means dah settle. Let it cook for a while. Biarkan dia masak seketika. Itu dia. Bila udang dia dah ubah warna, once the prawns is done, so it's ready lah. Tu dia sambal seafood, seafood sambal geprek. Okay, this is sambal geprek ataupun kalau Thai sambal pedas. Okay, kalau Singapore sambal bodoh. Kenapa sambal bodoh? Tak ada benda, sebab ada bodoh. Tapi sedap seafood sambal geprek. Okay, sambal pedas, sambal bodoh. Kau macam-macam nama tu. Okay, that's it. Dah lah, dah masak. Kasihkan, bau dia pun sedap. Pedas lah pepek kau. Tu dia sambal geprek ataupun sambal pedas ataupun sambal bodoh. Okay, there you go, Indonesian sambal geprek, or spicy sambal, or stupid sambal. Macam-macam nama. So ni I makan dengan ulam-ulam dia lah. This is my Chinese parsley as the salad, side salads lah. Okay, that's it. Selamat kembali kepada sesi Cakap Menyekik, makan eating session time. Alamak, tu dia sambal geprek. Okay, seafood sambal geprek ataupun seafood spicy sambal ataupun seafood spicy sambal bodoh. Okay, tak ada benda pun boleh masak. If you don't have anything also, you can still cook. So what if about war? Kalau ada perang, macam mana korang nak survive? Got war, how are you all going to survive? Gitu. when war also you can still survive kalau perang ke apa awak masih boleh bedal. Okay, awak dah tengok this is the facts. Okay, as you can see that America has invaded Venezuela. Amerika Syarikat dah rampas Venezuela. So kalau dalam keadaan huru hara gitu, what do you think? So in that kind of situation, you think you gonna enjoy food as you were every day, daily? Okay, don't think that if they can invade another country, don't you think nobody can invade us? Jangan awak akan diorang dah rampas negeri lain, awak jangan ingat diorang tu tak boleh rampas kita. Don't. Okay, anything can happen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Power. Dengar tak? Memang power. Very good. The sweetness of the prawns complement the spiciness of the chili. Manis udang ni dia membalancekan kepedasan ni. Actually this one just cook, dia baru masak. Kalau awak simpan kat dalam fridge for a day, the balance, tomorrow will not be spicy anymore. Besok dah tak pedas kalau awak simpan dalam peti ais. Actually I was looking for daun limau, cafe leaf. Don't have. If not, I can put cafe leaf also very nice. Awak beritahu daun limau kalau awak ada. Right? So simple, yet so delicious. You just need to estimate. Play the game. But this spicy level is normal for Indonesian. Spicy level ni memang biasa-biasa je untuk orang Indonesia. Indonesian dia tak ada pedas, dia tak ada keropok, finish. Game over. Today bedak lah, raining, hujan, gelap. Okay, Indonesia kalau tak ada keropok dan tak pedas, means they are not Indonesian. Even Chinese also eat spicy. Sekarang anak Melayu Singapura kita dia tak makan pedas. The Singapore Malay, the Gen X yang generasi baru ni tak ramai makan pedas. Not many eat spicy. Okay, yang ini spicy level very high. Just a warning. Pedas. Tapi power. In this cooking, masakan ini awak boleh tambah oyster sauce kalau awak nak. You can add oyster sauce if you like. I think I bought the prawns too little. Saya makan udang dia, saya beli udang dia kurang. Okay. Letak. Spicy lover, peminat pedas, come. Dengan petai tu. Very good and very pedas. Nasi pun dah habis. So I hope to see you again on Masak Pemasak My Style #mom. See you again. Bye. Woo.